Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Go Garage. So this is the official for sale video of this 1959 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. This car is exceptionally solid. It's always been a California car. A tiny bit of bubbling starting right there in the bottom rockers, but that's typically a place where they just completely rust out. And this one is not. The floors are really nice. There's a couple pinholes, and I do mean pinholes in the driver floorboard that could easily just have some paint rust treatment put over it to harden it, and that would be that because they're that small. The trunk floor is 100% solid. It's a beautiful car. Not running at this time just yet, but if we have time, I will get it running. It was an indoor storage on a concrete floor for over 46 years. We have this taped because the trunk doesn't like to stay shut at the moment. But it was in indoor storage for about 46 years in the original owner's family. On concrete floors, as I said, so it wasn't on dirt. That is all just surface rust right there underneath the trunk. It is completely solid and nice. That's like a little hinge or something. But yeah, around the trunk rail, it is 100% solid. Trunk floors are beautiful. If you lift up the mat right here, it looks like that all the way around. Still factory paint and beautiful. So anyway, anybody is free to come look at the car if they wish. It is all here except the hubcaps. It is missing the hubcaps, but I have the skirts for it. The back glass is good. It does need a windshield, but those are easy for a sedan. It's not hard to find at all. Super straight body. The paint might actually buff out if somebody wanted to just leave it like this. It also has brand new tires on it. The family did that before I had it picked up. So, you know, it rolls, steers perfectly fine. Doors open and shut really nicely. Everything is there. There's those floors. They're like practically perfect. But all here, all original, all untouched. Showing 64,000 and change miles. I believe that to be accurate because when you look at the sticker right here, in 1970, it had 19,750 miles on May 1st of 1970. And the story had it that they didn't park it, or they didn't drive it much longer than that, and then they parked it. So I do not believe for 1 minute that it's 164,000 miles. Let's see if I can pop the hood one-handed here. There we go. The hood is not rusted. That's another place that they commonly go. But this one is like perfect. That's all just surface rust. Engine is all here, except for the air cleaner. I'm sorry, I apologize. I am missing the air cleaner as well. But that's easy. You can find those on eBay all day long. It is paint code 12, Dover white. Somebody obviously took a rattle can and painted the firewall there, painted it black or attempted to. But the car is originally white. I'm not sure. I believe it's probably had one repaint. But other than that, I mean, it's just really a very clean, all original old car. My number will be in the end of this video. Please call or you can text, but I prefer phone calls. Serious inquiries only, please. My phone number will be in there, and I'm asking $18,000 or best offer. All right, guys, have a blessed evening.